Does your company conduct regular cyber breach tabletop exercises at the board and management level? Welcome to CyberBoardCast, Episode 104, where we dive into this crucial area of organizational cybersecurity as we delve into further lessons from the recent regulatory disclosures of Lockheed Martin, the first publicly listed company to file their 10-K since the SEC cyber rules went into effect. While Lockheed's 10-K sheds some light on their cybersecurity practices, it doesn't delve into the detail about the company's protocols at the C-suite and board levels. One such omission, not regulatorily required, yet critical to any company's security, much less its investors and shareholders' ROI, is whether or not the company's board and C-suite actively participate in regular breach drills, so-called tabletop exercises. Regular drills may be a poor man's excuse to test if your company's education was robust enough to begin with. However, they are part of the frontline defense against cyber threats, ensuring leadership is equipped to respond swiftly and effectively. Without these exercises, companies risk being caught off guard when faced with a real breach. So here's your action plan. 1. Implement board and C-suite drills to begin with. Demand that your company implement not just quarterly, but random breach drills deliberately meant to, catch your fiduciaries off guard, to test not only real-time response protocols, but also your directors and executives' cyber readiness and identify areas for improvement. Your security and your shareholders' investment security depend on it. 2. Push for comprehensive scenario testing. Ensure drills simulate realistic breach scenarios, including varying degrees of severity and response challenges to better prepare teams for any situation. For more in-depth insights on comprehensive scenario testing and other cybersecurity best practices, reference previous episodes of the CyberBoardCast for a wealth of valuable information. 3. Promote continuous improvement. Encourage a culture of learning from drill outcomes, refining response strategies, and incorporating lessons learned into future exercises. Join us next time as we delve deeper into organizational cybersecurity practices and how you can fortify not just your company's defenses, but specifically your board and C-suite's critical leadership of it and authentic living of it. I'm Andrei Setnarski with CyberBoardCast by CyberNation Central, guiding you towards proactive cybersecurity governance. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and ensure your company is ready to tackle any breach head on.